show. I don't get it. It's been over 2 days and it's still raining.
I know, it's so awkward and kinda depressing too.
Yeah, it kinda is.
I wanna see the sunlight shine again.
Anyways, you wanna go outside with me?
I sure do.
Let's go then. This is lots of rain, isn't it?
It sure is. In fact, I'm already soaking wet.
Me too. But it's so nice and...
Why, was that lightning?
I think so.
Let's run inside before we get struck. That was close, wasn't it?
Dexter, look at the TV.
There is reportedly a weather storm happening downtown. If you hear a roaring sound or see a funnel cloud...
Wait, did that just say funnel cloud and roaring sound? Dexter, I think there's a tornado downtown.
Let's run to the basement then.
We should be safe in here.
How do you know how tornadoes work anyway?
I learned about it in science class at school.
What about our stuff upstairs? I need to go grab all of it.
Wait, Dexter, it's too dangerous. Just stay down here with me, Dexter, you'll be safe.
But what if we lose everything?
Dexter, we'll be fine.
What if we die too?
Dexter, calm down. It's not the end of the world. I'll tell you something. The school will pay for our house if anything bad ever happens to it, okay? And if they can't, at least I have you. That's the only thing in the world that matters.
But where will we go? We can't go back to my old apartment. There is already a new family living there already. And the landlord confirmed already that we can't move back there.
Look, I had to deal with more problems in my life when I was younger. My mom left my dad when I was 3. And my dad left me when I was 9. I was so hurt, I only ate food and washed myself once a week.
Stop it, you're gonna make me cry. My parents abandoned me too when I was 7.
Oh no, the power shut off.
What are we gonna do?
I guess we could just fall asleep.
Okay.
Good night, Dexter.
Good night, Kev.